Hello everyone, and welcome to the STEM Challenge, The World Within, Chapter 9, Life from the First Organism Onward. Take a look at our chapter overview, and in 9.1 we're going to look at one of the big questions that biology tries to answer, and that is, how did life begin on the planet in section 9.1? For the longest time on the Earth's history, life has been very, very simple. And in 9.2, we'll talk about the evolution of multicellular life, going from single-celled life to multicellular life. And then in section 9.3, now that we have all these different life forms on the planet, how do we classify them? We'll do a little bit on that. So we'll get started with 9.1 and in a second. But remember that it's really important to read this entire chapter, 9.1, 9.2, 9.3, take notes on it, and you'll be ready for the quiz. If you listen to these screencasts, watch the animations that we recommend, you'll be all set. So welcome to Chapter 9.